Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Discord login error. So in order to fix a Discord login error, you can first check your credentials. So whenever you're trying to log in, you have to enter the passcode, password, and your username and your email address, all that, right? So if you enter incorrect information, then it could be a login error. So you might want to make sure to double check that and you could try logging in. That should definitely help you out. Next, you also want to make sure to use Discord status website to verify if the server is running properly or not. Next, you also want to make sure to check your settings or internet connection, as sometimes it could be due to a poor connectivity as well. You might want to check that. And once you've done that, what you could also do is if nothing works out, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and select forgot password and then reset, and that should definitely help you log in. If nothing works out, then you have to contact support, let them know about it. So if you want to contact support, you just want to make sure to type in Discord support. And there you go, you have to tap on the first link that pops up. And this is basically where you will be able to find the help center and contact them. And that's how things work. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.